Are you someone who wants to build a business that you love so that you can have the opportunity of leaving your 9-to-5 if you choose to? Is your family also equally important and you want to be able to create the deep, lasting connection so that you can make a legacy that you can leave forever? If so, we are really excited to share our inner circle with you today.
First off, we want you to know what we're all about. Here at Modern Leadership, we empower entrepreneurs to excel in both business and family life. We believe in achieving massive business success without sacrificing family time or our personal well-being. Our content is designed to help you connect deeper with your family, prioritize your physical and mental health, and build a business that you love. We would love for you to join us on this journey to your version of success. So people might be asking, why this membership?
Great question. So let me start off with what qualifies us to even put this membership together. And the truth is that we've actually had to navigate this for us in our own personal life. We were struggling with family time. We were struggling with time to focus on our health and our fitness. And we wanted to create an exit strategy for our 9-to-5s. Teresa working full-time in corporate and me working full-time as a police sergeant for LAPD. There was a lot of stress and a lot of things that were thrown at us at the same time. And we had to figure out a way to successfully create a business that would be able to sustain us and our family here in California. Now, one of the things that we personally found is there was a lot of skills, plus a lot of confidence that we had to build in ourselves in order to make this possible. What we found is the thing that made the biggest difference for us was, like they say, the 5 people you spend the most time with. It was really finding and developing an inner circle, a group of people who have different strengths, different weaknesses, who can tap into each other's resources, but also people who want growth and success in their business and their family life just as much as you do. I gotta tell you, being a police officer, it definitely felt weird being in that environment because there wasn't many people who would think or act like I did. And I wanted to feel like I was part of something that was making a huge impact, not only in the world, but also not sacrificing the things that were most important to us. And that's why we went out and found our inner circle, and we would love to share it with you. It took us a lot of time and energy to be able to find and develop an inner circle like this, and we want to do our part to save you as much time and energy as we can.
Okay, sounds great, but how does this actually work?
So when you become a member, you join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs who want business success and personal success at home with their family just as bad as you do. It's amazing when you get to surround yourself with people who think like you, who act like you, who have similar values to you, who have the tactics and the strategies to help you achieve your goals. It's also powerful to have a tribe of like-minded individuals so you can create deeper connections even inside of the group. Now, by being a part of our inner circle, you'll also be given the opportunity to stand out in the crowd. We're actually going to be sharing our stage with many of the people who are inside of the program, depending on the specific skills that our members have and the value that you're going to be able to bring to the rest of the community. We also grant members access to some of the early behind-the-scenes stuff, some of the videos that are going to be released earlier, as well as helping us craft what specific skills that you're looking to develop. We give our members the ability of choosing our upcoming topics, our upcoming live streams, because we know that people like to have their personal questions answered, and we just can't do that for all of YouTube, which is why we specifically focus on helping our members develop the confidence and the skills they need. Now, I also know that we have a lot of members out there that really appreciate the time and energy that we put into not only this channel, but also helping them hit their goals. And they love to be able to support us on that mission. And even though we appreciate you so much for wanting to support us, we want to be able to help you navigate the struggles and the difficulties that are going to come up along your journey to success.
Okay, now, so what is specifically included in the membership?
So once you click the join button, you'll see everything that's included in the inner circle. So you'll have access to the community, not only here on YouTube, but inside of a private app that we've created to make sure that we protect the integrity of the inner circle. You also see there's exclusive badges and emojis that people get as they rank up throughout the community. It's pretty cool to see how long you've been a part of this community and know who the leaders here are. You also get access to polls and community chats about upcoming potential videos and questions you'd love us to answer on one of the live calls. Being a member also gives you priority response to some of your questions. So if you ask a question on one of the videos, whether it's a live video or one that's already pre-recorded, we're going to get to answering your questions first. Now, the most powerful part of this, and I probably should have led with this, is you get 2 specific live workshops that you get to attend and ask questions of. Now, these workshops are going to be geared towards what you specifically need to learn. So as a part of the inner circle, we're going to share some different topics and ideas that we're going to be potentially talking about in the upcoming live streams. And you get to choose and vote which ones you'd like to hear. Now, at the end of every single session, we'll also open it up for Q&A to answer your specific questions. This is not something that's going to be open to everyone on YouTube. This is something that is only going to be available for people who are part of the inner circle. Now, you might get to this point and wonder, what's the investment for something like this? And the truth is, we've run programs like this in the past that we've charged hundreds of dollars per month to be a part of. But we wanted to open it up to as many people as we possibly could. So what we've decided to do is to keep the investment at $10 per month. So you get all of those things that we talked about here today: a community, answers to your specific questions, access to behind the scenes information, the potential of speaking on our Modern Leadership YouTube channel and podcast, and be a part of a tribe and community that really gets what it's like to be where you're at. So if you're ready to join a next level entrepreneur community, get personalized answers to your specific questions, and help speed up the growth of not only your business, but also your family connection, we'd love to have you on the team. Click the join button to learn all the details and join us on the team. And I also want to say thank you for being here. The world needs you and what you have to offer more than you know. If we can help you get that message out and speed up this process of financial and time freedom, we are all in. Thank you for showing up and being willing to grow. And above all, keep leading from the front, and we'll see you on the other side of that join button.